Hey, 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 good afternoon. Welcome to another Sunday soul supper where I prep for the week as a busy mom, doing a lot of stuff and trying to get into all things mommy. So it's now 4:15. 4:15. 4:15. What makes cooking easy is prepping and preparing, and I have done that. So today I'm cooking something very simple. I have chicken and rice, but I'm gonna add veggies, and the veggies I'm adding is carrots, zucchini, and tomato. I had already pre-prepared the chicken, have it marinating for a couple hours, and the oven, I had that already go preheated at 350 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, I don't know. 350 degrees. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me share what I have going. So here I have the chicken that I had already pre-seasoned and have marinating. I'm gonna put it in this pot and put it in the oven and let that cook for about an hour. I'm gonna add veggies as well, and of course your girl is famous for lentils and rice. I have rice here in the pot toasting, and yeah, so let's get into it. So no oil, no nothing. I'm just gonna put the chicken in the pot like so, skin side down. Skin side down. And then we are going to add our veggies, which is carrot, zucchini, and tomato. We're gonna cover this pot here and then put it in the oven. It's that simple. Now we have the rice. Oh, toasting. Oh no. We need to have this evenly toasted. I'm gonna go in with the lentils. Then we're gonna add water. We're gonna add water. Enough to cover the rice and lentils. We're gonna add salt to taste. My favorite salt from Puebla. And let this do its thing for 20 minutes. And the rice should be cooked with the lentils. I had to pre-cook the lentils as well. So let's see how long this takes. I started at 4:15 and I will tell you when I'm finished with everything. But you know, a girl likes to clean up as she goes, so I am going to clean. Clean, clean, clean. You come. I need to check on the rice. It's been 22 minutes now. The rice is just about finished. So let's see if I need to add more water to it. This is perfect. 20 minutes down. So we have the chicken in the oven and we're waiting for that to finish. And we should be good to go. So I will check back at about 5 o'clock. So I am going to the oven, but I'm checking on baby girl that she doesn't come close by here. I'm trying to get the pot out the oven to check on it. Ooh la la. I think I burned myself. This is not kitchen finger, but kitchen hand. Set it and forget it type. Maybe I should make a quick broth. Put this. I am going to put this chicken back in the oven. In 15 minutes, I should come back to check on this pot and everything should be fine and dandy. Sweet and dandy, sweet and dandy. Hey, 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 I'm back to see what's going on. And ooh la la, we have a juice. Ooh, kitchen finger. Wow, wow, wow. So now the chicken is finished and the veggies are cooked. Ooh la la. I am going to serve everything for the week, and that's it. So let's see what time it is. It's 5:53. I should have checked out this at 5:30, 5:15, but I got carried away. But the good thing is that when I do all this prepping, put it in the oven, I can do many things and not touch. So I'm gonna let this cool and then come back and serve everything for the week for myself and baby girl. Hello, hello. So I serve everything out for the week. And let's see if I can show. This is the prepping for the week. And Sunday soul supper for the week is done just like that. It's now 6:03. Wasn't a lot of time in the kitchen, but I am happy. I'm gonna end here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video next Sunday soul supper for the week.